Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for a Payoneer account in Jamaica. First, navigate to the official Payoneer website using your preferred web browser. Once there, locate and click the Register or Sign Up button, typically found in the top right corner of the homepage. This initiates the simple, four-step application process, guiding you through each necessary section to begin earning from international clients or platforms seamlessly. Next, choose the account type that best suits your needs. For most individuals, select the individual option to proceed. Accurately provide your full legal name, ensuring it matches your government-issued identification document precisely. Then, input your current Jamaican residential address and a valid contact phone number, as these details are crucial for account verification and security checks later on. After your personal details, you will set up robust security questions and provide a secure password for your account. Choose questions whose answers only you would know and keep them memorable but hard to guess. Payoneer will also send a verification email to the address you provided, so be sure to check your inbox and click the confirmation link to activate that step. Now, it is time to link your local Jamaican bank account to facilitate withdrawals of your earnings. You will need your bank's name, your specific account number, and the SWIFT or BIC code for international transfers. Carefully double-check all these banking details to ensure accuracy. Incorrect information could lead to significant delays in receiving your funds, which we want to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.